Hey friends, welcome back to Simply Teresa, and today I'm going to be showing you my version of cinnamon pancakes. Here are the ingredients. 2 cups of pancake mix, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1.5 cups of milk. Okay, so I'm going to be using my Ninja to do my pancakes. Of course, you can use any mixer you would like. I'm going to go ahead and add the 1.5 cups of milk, my 2 eggs, my cinnamon, vanilla, oil. I'm going to go ahead and add the mixture. So we'll be back when all this is mixed. I usually like to check it in between just to make sure everything is getting incorporated. So we'll go ahead and I mix again. So I'll be back when this is all mixed. Once I check and make sure that my mixture is completely mixed and it looks smooth, I'm gonna go ahead and get these started. So I've placed my skillet on medium-high heat on my stove. And I went ahead and I used a stick of butter. And what I usually like to do is just sort of trace the skillet with the butter. Butter up the skillet. Then I go ahead, I place like mini pancakes. Usually they fit probably like around 6 of them, depending on the size you do. Of course, this is my preference. You can do them in a smaller skillet and do one at a time. I just prefer to do this way just because it's easier, and I can do about 6 of them at a time. So once I see them racing up a little bit, I usually go ahead and add a little bit of more butter. So once you start to see that they're like bubbling on the top, it's time to flip them over. Make sure you have something to hold the skillet because it gets very hot. And you just gently flip them over. And again, add some butter and they won't burn up on you. So here you have it, my version of cinnamon pancakes. Then you go ahead and you add a little bit of syrup. Hope you enjoy my recipe of cinnamon pancakes. Make sure to share this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe.